In front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, just go into calendar. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner of it and click on sorry. Got it. Following that, you need to tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing event option. Now customize it however you want to. For example, you can add a title over here. Then scroll down just a bit and click on starting hour and ending one to set it up. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by tapping on this switcher next to all day. Now select does not repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just select does not repeat. You can also add people, videos, tap on add notifications and set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, change color of it, choose add location, click on while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct result. Now you can also add attachments and take notes. When you're ready, save your event by choosing save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, just click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes. If you wish to discard them, just click on this X icon at the top right corner, sorry, left one, and if you wish to save it, click on the top right one. If you wish to get rid of your event though, just click on it again, but this time choose those three dots at the top right corner, select delete over here at the top, and click on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!